Welcome back to another video. Today we are at Possilpark Parkhouse station in Glasgow, and the station itself is situated along the Maryhill line, or the Scary Hill line as some people like to call it, and trains run between Glasgow Queen Street and Anniesland, and trains using the West Highland line. Excuse me. There is also West Highland line trains that pass through the station going between Glasgow Queen Street, Oban, Fort William and Mallaig. So trains in this direction will be going towards Glasgow Queen Street, with the next stop being Ashfield. And in the other direction, the majority of trains will be going on the Maryhill line, and the next stop is Glasgow Hill, and West Highland line train's next stop is Dalmuir. So hope you enjoy this video. That was 158733 running 2 Whiskey 57. Yeah, 2 Whiskey 57 from Glasgow Queen Street to Anniesland. Now we're about to pass through is 1037, a locomotive service going from Finsbury Park to Fort William. Departing now is 158733, running 2 Whiskey 58 from Anniesland to Glasgow Queen Street. And its next stop is Ashfield. Now arriving is 158733 again, going to Anniesland from Queen Street. This is running 2 Whiskey 61. Now about to pass through is 1 Yankee 44 going from Mallaig and Oban to Glasgow Queen Street. And the weather conditions are horrible. 156493 is in the front. And then 156466 is on the rear. It is horrible right now. Arriving now is 2 Whiskey 62 going from Anniesland to Glasgow Queen Street. 158733 is running it yet again. Very crashy. Anyways, that's the last train I'll be filming today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you wish to do so. Make sure to join my Discord. Follow me on Flickr and on Train Siding. Links are in the description. Hope to see you in next week's video. Goodbye.